Okay, I think I've shown you the function of every other tool here. All these both text and image tools, right? So the another thing that is remaining is how to manage other elements. Like, let's bring something here. Or before that, let's just go to a plain background. Yes, let's have a plain background. Let's import an object, or let's just use an image. Cool. Change the color. Change the color. Good. Now, who brought this in? Now, let me teach you some things from here. Let's copy this. We copy it, right? Let's create something. Let's change the color. You change the color to blue. You see, this can be a logo now. You can create something like this as a logo, or manipulate it further to create a logo. That is it. So in that video, the other video, I teach you how to pin elements. Now I want to teach you further. Now if you want to pin these elements, what do you do? Come here, come here, come here to this layer. Click on layer. Click on layer. Now if you want to pin it, come when you click on layer now, come here, come to this, click it. It will show you where to mark. Now you are marking. So pin, merge them here, merge them here. That is for merging. Okay, this is when you have elements you want to merge together. You don't want it to don't want it need any distraction. You see now they have merged together. Once this thing happen, now these two elements have become one. You can merge both elements and text and they'll become one. Okay, another thing you can do here is this. When you have many elements, let's say we have text too. Let's say we have text too. Innophics. Now watch. Let's say we have text like this now. Let's say we have text like this now. You can move this in. Maybe you have arranged your work here. You are making a design. You have arranged your work like this, and you need to move it. You need to move it. So, and you don't want to be moving it one by one. It will take you time, and it will scatter. Maybe it scatter the thing. So what you do is you come here again. Come here. Come to this place we pressed before, down here. Click on it, then click on this edit icon. You have edit icon there. Now mark, when you mark this first. Okay, after marking it, now click on this. You can see these things, all these things. Now you can do all of this. If you close the eyes now, you have closed, you automatically close all of them. Now you can also come again, click on this again, merge them and move them. Come to that edit we touched before, then click on this tool for moving objects. We use it in a normal. Click on it and move. You see this, we press in any direction you want it to go. You see, so when you're moving it now, all of them that you marked, you selected, will be moving once. You don't need to move it one by one. That is what that thing does. Good. Another thing you can do here is save. Okay, this save, you already know that one. I don't need to go there again. Don't need to go here. You can create other things. You can find text, this plus icon. When you come to this plus icon now, you can find other things there. You can find other things there. You can find other things there, like this text. You can find current date. can be there. Like today's date is 19th now, but I don't need that, so remove it. Come there, you can see stickers. You can see stickers, the same sticker we saw there. You can see shapes, so again the same shape we are bringing, but we don't need it. You can see gallery, import image from gallery. When you go there now, it will take you to your gallery the same way we do there. So it will literally serve almost the same purpose that other ones serve. You can see draw. This draw will enable you to mark, use your hand to draw something. Okay, so it's just like the name implies. The size of the pen, you see it. Smoothness, you see it. You see it. Feel inside. When you feel inside, when you do it like this, you will feel the inside. When you draw the, I think I've shown you this thing before, so no need. So that is the function of all these things. Another one you need to know is zoom. See zoom and how you use it here. See zoom and how you use it. How do you use zoom? When you are making something that you need to work on a particular, maybe you are not seeing it clearly, you click on zoom. When you click on zoom, now use your two fingers to draw, to enlarge the thing. Bring it to the focus of where you want it to be. Maybe it's on Innophics, with Innophics and this I want to work on. So if the maximum is 500%. Well, after working on it, after if you zoom it, after zooming it and you want to work on it, it will not work until you have clicked on zoom again. You see now, so you can be able to work on Innophics and click it, it begins to work like this. Okay, now when you are done, you click on zoom again. Now you reduce it back. That is how it works. That's how that one works. After you reduce it, now you click zoom again. That is cool. This one is grid. Grid, I told you already, you use it for alignment, so you know where you want, you are working on, know how you are working on. How you use it is after when you click on it, this is the grid I'm talking about. Okay, and here you click in order to be able to position, like to move the lines. When I click there now, I can move this line here, can move it here, you see. So you make sure everything, it helps you to make sure that what you are working on, it's on a straight line. Cool. When you add this one, when you click on add now, you see add here on you see add. When you click add now, add right, add downward. This one is to delete. This last one is to delete. Then this U, this one is to increase the number, like this extreme now. This extreme that is circular in shape is to increase the number of degrees to the number you want. Maybe you are working on something like book, or like, you know, book, textbook, exercise book line, that you want it to be many, so you can create it here. And so I want it to be 6. Here I want it to be 20. I want it to be, okay, horizontal I want it to be 20. Vertical I want it to be 3. Now you mark it. You see how it is now. You see how it is. This one is for the position. This one, this plus and minus is for the position. Is the position your work. You don't normally use that one, so there's no need to go in there. So that is what that grid works is used for. Another thing you need to know, another part too you need to know here is this. Cool. Is this. Now when you go here, you see some menu here. Use image from gallery. is also to download or get images, import images. We already have that one. Another one, full screen. When you click full screen, this is how it looks like. When you go back, it goes back. Another one is export image. When you want to export image, just like to save image the way we used to do, the same way. So go back. Another one you see is contact us. This one is for when you want to write to the developers, so but you are not writing to anybody. Another one is tutorials. You can watch some tutorials there. Another one, remove ads. You can, all these ones are just to take you to this place. You don't need them. Another important thing you need to do here, this is another important thing you need to know about is image size. I think I've said it before. Here is where you size your images. So you size your image, because everything you are working on, every design you're working on, you need to create the perfect image for it. You can have 20 by 2010. You see how it is now. The size has changed. That is how it works. Okay, another thing here is PLP file. PLP file is a file that you worked on PIXELLAB. Okay, you can edit it if you save it in PLP. Now when you go to PLP, now you see your works, all the works I've done. Now you see them here. You can save them when you want to make it available. Like when you want to make it available now in PLP, you want to make any work available here in PLP, you can come here, this share icon, then click on it. When you click on it, now you see that it's showing save in PIXELLAB and rest of them. That is, it's saving, all they are saving as PLP now, so that whenever you share it to people, they can be able, so the person can open it. Like if I design a work now, I did not finish it, or I design a work, I have a template of a work I designed, I can share it to you, and you can open it where you are and begin to make use of it. Okay, so here you find some projects. You can find the PLP. Another thing here is this one. When you come to this recover autosave, and that is another thing you need to learn here. Recover autosave. Sometimes you'll be working on a project and the project has an issue. It has an issue such that maybe you come and you discover that the thing has scattered. What do? Come to autosaver. Now you see the works I did today. These are the works I did, and as on this project now, here many times it auto saved. So if you go back here now, you see the recent one. If you go to auto save again, you see another one. You see this one was when I did not change the orientation. So when your work scatters, you can use also auto save to recover them. Okay, that is the function of all these other elements here, and you need it also when you are working. Thank you so much. See you in the next class.